Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 5th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap of the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on gold from this morning, make sure you check out my video, linked at the end of this video over here. But don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So today is the U.S. presidential race, and I definitely would have expected more volatility out of gold. A lot of the other dollar pairs are moving pretty good, and gold really hasn't done much of anything for the last couple of days. I've actually still long on gold. I think I originally got long over here, so I'm, not really in much profit yet. I still think this could be an A, this could be a B, and this could be a C. And it looks like if it does respect this line, then it could be like a running ABC correction, looking something like that. Now, until we actually get a significant break of structure to the upside, which we definitely don't have yet, I still think it could be an ABC, but it also could extend into an expanding ABC. If that's the case, it could potentially make a lower high, potentially make a lower high, and just go down to this lower trend line for like an expanding wave C. So, like I said, the presidential race is going on right now, and it's going to last all throughout the evening. And I definitely would expect to see a lot of volatility when they start getting results from the presidential race. So, I mean, like I said, I'm long. I still think there's a chance that it's going to go up from here, but if not, then I would definitely be keeping an eye on this lower level for potentially a turning point down there. So, anyways, be careful with the trading tonight. Like I said, a lot of volatility expected. But as always, happy trading and good luck.